any WDS server. It will check where is the WDS server in the network. Okay, now when it is booting, it's not checking, it's just directly booting into your hard disk. But if you enable it, every time when you boot it, it will try to find out is there any servers in the network with installation. So when you want to do it, you can enable it. So now we don't want. You know what is partitioning, right?
Yes.
Partitioning is done on the hard disk. So when you do it on the hard disk, your OS, it's better to keep the OS on a different partition. So OS will automatically create a partition for MBR. Or MBR is kept in the partition of the operating system where the operating system is stored. And we saw what is file system, right? There are two types of file systems, NTFS and FAT. In here in Windows. Before we had a lot. So basically, the job of file system is this. Okay, file system is basically a program that that tells how the file should be managed, opened, copied, removed, renamed. The program for making the files work, creating a map between the operating system and the file, logical storage, maintaining the file sizes, maintaining the history of the files. Okay, it's just a software that manages your files. Okay, you simply do copy paste, rename and all, right? Which program is doing it? Your file system program is doing it. Okay, we are using NTFS, that's the latest. If you go to some other operating systems, you had SMB, that is in Linux, we had this SMB file system. These are some other file systems. Okay, it's not in Windows, it's in Linux and Unix. Yeah, ext3, ext2, these are all Linux file systems. MS-DOS, that's before. We have this. FAT32 is also good one. The latest is NTFS. If you check, you can take any drive, right? You can check C drive. You right click C drive, you can check. If you go to properties, you can see file system is NTFS. New technology file system. Driver installations, you know what is a driver, right? Depends upon which device. It can be for your webcam, or it can be for your printer, it can be for your audio. So you have audio hardware, okay? And if the audio hardware is not working, what do? You try to reinstall the driver. Okay. Sometimes you have to download from the internet. So when you download from it, let's say if I want to download driver for this, okay, now these are built-in models, right? You can say Dell OptiPlex, okay, 9020 drivers. So you go to the Dell website. If you see the PCs, there will be a service tag on top of it. You can just put the service tag and you can download the drivers for that. And you can install it. So those are the basic things that you have to know.
Uninstall. Yo.
Kasi kung kailangan i-ship kung baka one time ikaw. Exactly.
If you want to see the drivers, you can go to the device manager. Huh?
Yes.
How do you go to device manager? You can go to start, right click, manage, or you can just type device mgr.msc. Now you should know the commands, okay? That's part of the course.
Device MSC.
Okay, MSc means Microsoft Console.
MSC.
Oh, sorry. Device mgmt, not mgr. mgmt.
MGMT. Oh. MGMT.
Device, I forgot it. Dev.
Uh-huh.
Dev mgmt.
Dev.
Got MSc? Yeah.
MSC. Dev MGMT.
This is where you find all the drivers.
Ah. Okay.
For instance, if I go to the display driver here, it's VMware's own display driver. If I disable it, what will happen?
It will turn.
You lose the display, right?
It's not volume.
Because that's the only display we have. You wanna try?
How would you turn it back on?
Then you won't have the display, right? Then how will you see?
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
It will turn different color.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Something as a
So,
virtual.
Something happened.
Na-uninstall ko yan lahat.
Okay, it has a failsafe.
Aray na yan eh.
Tapos nawala.
Sa computer.
What if I uninstall it?
It will get bigger.
Now, since it is VMware, we can try all these things. We can't try on a physical machine.
Oh.
It's gone. The display drive is gone, but since VMware, it can make up it. Okay, so those are drivers. For everything you have drivers. Normally, sometimes you may have some legacy devices. For them, you will not have the setup or something. You will have some DLL file or something. So you have to manually add them from here. You have to do action, add legacy hardware. You know what is legacy, right? Legacy means old devices.
Come again, sir? Old?
Old
Device.
means devices which are maybe 20 years back, 30 years back, you had some kind of device. Maybe let's say you have a device to measure
Legacy device.
anything, it can be anything, like a robot or something. Old robot, old thing.
Legacy device.
Because everything ultimately is integrated with the computers, right? Like say for example, you have this traffic signal robot, something which monitors the traffic of a particular road. That's a legacy device. You want to bring it here. Normally it has a serial port or something. You plug in the serial port, it will not detect. It will not be plug and play. So you have to add a driver for that. Or there is an old printer, let's say, very old printer. Okay, then there you have to have the driver separated, and you have to do next, and you will not find it on the internet. You have to install it manually. You have to browse it. Okay, if you want to find it here. Hard disk, you have to browse it.
Okay, then.
Then you have to put it.
Lumang keyboard mo.
It is old drivers.
Lumang
You have to do that.
drivers.
Old devices. It can be anything. Camera, printer, whatever it is. New devices, they have a tie-up. Normally, most of the time, you don't have to install drivers. Because these companies, they have tie-up with Microsoft. So it will be embedded in the Microsoft operating system itself. You just have to plug, it will detect. The things they don't have tie-up, they will give the CD or something. You have to install the driver.
Detector.
It's a restart. You know how to change the time zone and all, right? Time
Yes.
zone.
Yeah. Clock.
Party drivers.
break.